guarantee you they carved the stones on the ground roughed them out at least before they put them up there.
I believe roughed out and then just finally chipped them away.
Chipped them away once they got them up there.
So we think this is off of the top of the chimney and it's upside down because the angle is going towards, it's decreasing as you get towards the ground, so that would mean it would be decreasing towards the top, which means that would be a cap piece off of the top of that, which obviously the cap has been replaced with concrete. Quite an engineering marvel just as it sits.